were on our way from Texas to Quartzsite, Arizona, so we decided to stay at a campsite in Vado, New Mexico for a couple of nights. That way we could get our laundry done and get any last minute groceries. So we stayed at the Western Skies RV park, which is about halfway between El Paso and Las Cruces. As you can see, this park is right on the highway, so it's easy in and easy out, but you decide if you'd want to stay there. We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck 𝗬𝗟𝗧𝗏, our two K&M motorcycles, our DRV-Dixie, and our smart car 𝗡𝗡. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. There's their sign for the park. This is frontage road, runs parallel with Interstate 10, so there's easy access on and off I-10. You come into the park, and they got a little house up here, which is the office. Western Skies RV Park in Vado, New Mexico. And then you go in here to get registered and pay. So there's no code to get in, there's no gate, nothing to put in your car. Hey, do you young kids know what that thing is right there? And this is row A. They let us put 𝗬𝗟𝗧𝗏 in that site because nobody was going to be using it. The length of these in the middle are pretty good. The roads are really wide, so it's easy to maneuver with the big rig. It's all like a crushed stone sand. There's concrete pads in between. Some of them have picnic tables. We got storage area back here. And then row B is down here. They're all pull-throughs. This is a good stopover place. It's about 15 minutes from El Paso, about 15 minutes from Las Cruces. We are here in B2. They do have trees, so you got to be careful when you put your slides out that you're situated properly on your site. The owner, Rosa, is the one that'll wait on you. She'll help you to your site if you need it. I think she lives in the back of the office there. This building is no longer being used as far as I can tell because they got the chair in front of the door. This is row C. The roads are pretty wide. Sides are shorter over here. Some of these look like they've been here a long time. They got a little play area for kids here. And here is their bathroom. I'm going to go check this out because Dave said it was scary.
I don't know if there's a woman's bath.
No, I'm going to go find out. The dumpsters are back here as well.
Laundry.
Oh, this is where the laundry is. I'll go check that too. You can stop and I'll get out. Oh, it's pretty big in here. Coin operated. I don't know if they work, but they're here. Old building. Here's the women's side. Well, definitely old. Definitely doesn't smell good. Definitely not going to shower there.
Shower.
My goodness. Nope, not for me. And then down this area, looks like people have been here a while.
This is the low rent section, I guess.
Yeah. This is $40 a night, but if you have a passport and all you gotta do is say you have it, it's $20 a night. If you're self-contained and you're just driving through, it's a good place to stop because they got 50 amp water pressure was good.
Sewer.
And we have sewer, so we're able to do our laundry and such. So stop over, it's fine. Unless you're a hoity-toity, then I wouldn't stay there, but we didn't mind it. I mean, actually the road noise didn't bother me very much. The roads aren't too bad. I like the fact that they're wide.
I feel safe then.
Oh yeah, we feel safe. Didn't you say there was a pole around here somewhere?
Yeah. It's inside this fence.
Oh, okay. So, whatever that building is, and then there's a pool behind this wall somewhere, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, there it is. I don't know how you get to it though. The door on the one side is blocked. I think that's probably been there a while in storage, huh? Flat tires.
Just a little bit.
Got a couple of big trailers in here too. And tractors. I don't know what that big building is back there. This could be a little gold mine. They do have real pretty skies at night. Lots of stars. Pretty sunsets with the mountains in the background. One thing that we noticed at this campground was about once a day there was a peculiar smell. We did find out later on it was because there's dairy farms right down the road. There's also a quarry. So we found usually in the morning it had a peculiar odor. We also saw a motorhome go up in flames while we were there across the street. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.